putting
Ooh, what are you putting in there, honey?
it's a meat rub for smoking.
Ooh, how long does it take to cook it?
Chicken's usually about 3 hours and 15 minutes, 3 hours and 30 minutes, something like that. In the ballpark. That's done.
And how about the temperature?
320, what?
225. 225 to 250.
What?
225 to 250.
For how long?
On the smoker. On the chicken for about 3.5 hours, 3 hours and 45 minutes, something like that.
All right. Is this our dinner for tonight? For Christmas? Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. Merry Christmas. All right, let's go already. Put that chicken to the smoker.
Off to the smoker we go.
I see what you got here. You got some guacamole and some Guinness.
25 there, big dog.
Whoa. All right, ready? Ooh, that smells so good. This is the first time we've used our smoker, honey.
Got some apple wood in there we're using for smoke. Little
Nice.
chunks. The water's starting to boil too. That's great.
Delicious. Is it gonna fit in there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You're gonna make it fit?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
2 chickens is perfect on this thing.
Oh,
Yep.
nice.
Very nice.
Oh, there's another one.
We put the breast on the bottom because it's thicker.
Uh-huh.
Takes longer to cook, so you want to have less heat up top.
So you don't overcook it?
Right.
Yeah.
That's the general idea.
Ooh, now we're talking. Yeah, baby. All right. Well, you know what? Ooh, would you look at that?
Yep, that's looking nice.
Oh, we need to put the barbecue sauce now.
Yeah, probably so. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to get it real quick?
Yeah, I'll get the barbecue sauce.
Okay.
And we'll
Yep. Ooh, look at those ribs. Ooh, so delish. Ooh, the bone is coming off already.
Yep. Looking pretty good.
Yep. Oh, hi, Dad. Say hi.
Hi.
Or are you waiting for the meat?
Well, you bet.
Are you enjoying
I
your
was sitting
beer?
on here without the jacket on, and it was fine.
Uh-huh.
But then the wind started blowing a little bit, and it was getting chilly.
Uh-huh.
So, well, I'm going to get my new jacket on, and it worked fine.
You like it?
This
Oh.
that one to get in here, the last button here was real tight. Matter of fact, I thought I'm going to be able to eat anything. As tight as it was. But nevertheless, it's ideal now.
Oh, that is nice, Dad.
Yep.
Is it soft enough? Soft?
Oh, yeah.
The material is soft?
Real
I'm so glad it fits you, Dad.
Huh?
It fits you well.
Yeah, it does.
How's your beer?
I like the color.
How's your beer? Your beer.
Oh.
No,
oh,
Dad.
the beer, yeah.
Yeah. That's your second bottle, Dad. Now we are ready to eat. Ooh, I can't wait for that.
Really yummy.
I am starving too. I'm gonna eat about 4 of them. Alright, I got Dad's food here from this ribs. Ooh, look at this ribs. Ooh, falling apart. Alright, Dad. Yes, I'm ready. Done? Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna get some chicken for Dad too. Ooh, dark meat or white meat? I don't know. Only one way to find out. Dad, Would you like the dark meat part or the white meat part? White meat, this one? What do you think about this? This one?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
All right. Can you hold this, Kuya?
Oh, yeah, sure. What am I doing here?
Just hold it like that.
Yeah.
Just hold it like that.
I got it.
Because I'm going to cut some piece of this for that.
Oh, my God, that looks good.
Look how juicy that is.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey. All right, I got Dad's food, so y'all can just do your things. What? Look at this.
You can all do yours.
All right, I got Dad's food.